Okay. One at a time. Why don't you do one at a time?
I'll do this one, Mom.
Okay, you do that one.
It's from Grandpa Scott and Elaine.
Okay.
From Grandpa Scott and Elaine.
I guess the one out of... What did you get? What is that, Braden?
You have to slide it off.
What do you say?
Thank you, Florida. I yelled all the way to Florida. I had to.
That's a big present. That's bigger than you are, Brooke.
Yes, bigger than me.
Some pretty wrapping paper, too.
Pretty sturdy paper.
Oh!
Wow.
Careful, Braden. The unrippable paper. Oh, Brooke got it started, Braden.
Oh!
Careful. It looks like a vanity. It says, "Let's get ready, vanity." Oh, fun. It's got a hairdryer, Brooke. Cool.
Who's man? Yeah. It's his hair man.